want to look at how the navigation for what topics are in a unit works. And this will be work for all units, but in general, this is the 8th graders Unit 3, the current unit. Okay, so within Google Classroom, so here we are in the 8th grade Google Classroom, and we see there's this navigation. And the navigation, it has the pretest and the pretest correction, and then it has these navigation tests and test corrections for them. Well, these aren't really tests, and you can see that they're labeled as navigation practice, so they don't count towards the grade. But let's see if we can figure out what's in those. And so what we have here is, from Delta Math, the topic and the subtopic. So, for example, in interpreting two-way tables, we have two different subtopics, two different ways the problems can be stated, same way with percents. Okay, and so the first test has these 6 different questions, so these 4 types, and then fill in values two-way tables, 2 more. So on the first type of test, let's see where we can find that. So if we go over to Delta Math, we'll see that that's on test 1, two-way tables. And if you click here, you can see there we have the different questions. All right. And then if you go back, and so then you take that test, and if you get any wrong, then you can go to the test correction 1 and practice those things. Now, of course, these are things we're being taught during the unit. Okay, so it gives you an idea of what is to come. And it's also a way to check at the end of a unit if you've gotten them all correct, if you've learned those skills. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. So altogether in Unit 3 we have 5 different tests and about 44 different skills altogether. And if you look at the skills, I've rated them mild, medium, and spicy. So you see at the end there's some that are rather difficult. Okay, and as we've talked about, you can choose just to do the mild ones, but in order to succeed and go into Math 1 eventually, you're going to have to be able to do at least the medium and probably the spicy as well. I also listed what we covered on our pretest, so here's the topics that we did on our pretest, so we'll test those again on our post-test to see if we learned anything during the test. Okay, so just to summarize, we had in Google Classroom within the section, the topic of navigation. Okay, you can go in there and get to a spreadsheet. It lists all the skills we're going to study, and it breaks them up into several different tests, and that's what you see here is these tests broken out. Okay, and you go to Delta Math, and you can see, so we're going to have really sort of, you might say, diagnostic tests, or well, actually it's really a test for each skill, a question for each skill, broken up into 5 parts. And then there's test corrections for them. And in Google Classroom, the grades will show up, but you don't need to worry about that. It doesn't affect your grade, just the assignments and the tests. Okay, not the ones that say test navigation.